How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So on today's video, if you're a DIY car guy, you're gonna like this new product that I'm gonna review for you guys. And also at the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you my thoughts about this new product. So guys, let's get started. So what we have here is a 3-ton electric jack that I'm gonna review today. And also this is available in 2-ton for a much cheaper price. So I prepared a 3-ton because of my MDX, you know, that's a big SUV. So I prepared to have a 3-ton, so when I change the tire on that, I'm not gonna have any problem with this jack. So inside we have the chuck. So this is it also comes with a level, so I don't know what's the level for, but this is just to stop the car from backing up while you're jacking up the car. You have the manual. You have some gloves. The extension, if you want to jack up the SUV, this is the extension. And you also have the long power cable that you can plug on your cigarette lighter. And also you have the controller up and down for the jack. And it comes with a flashlight. See, you have an LED light bulb there. So this is very helpful if you're changing tire on the side of the road at night. So that's a good thing we have the LED flashlight there. So this is the jack, and you have a motor here. So this is a 12-volt motor that will with the gearing inside here to make the scissor jack go up and down. So this is how it looks like. So in this hole you're gonna put the adapter for your SUV. If you're gonna lift an SUV, you can put that long extension. Just tighten it by hand. Doesn't have to be too tight, as long as it's snug. There you go. This is the SUV extension. And for the regular car, they give you this, so you just have to put it inside. That's it. The minimum height for this is 5.5. So if you have a very low car, this is gonna be hard for you to put this jack underneath the car. But if you're 5.5 and above, with this jack you're okay. So inside there's also a crank handle and this cable that you can clamp to your battery and use the other end for the cigarette lighter plug. So if you want to connect directly to the battery, this is the cable that you're gonna use. Minimum space that you need underneath the car, 5.5 to use this jack. So according to the manual, this can go out to a maximum of 17 inches high. So now it's time to test the jack on the actual car, and we'll measure how far can we lift the car. So I'm gonna connect directly to the battery. So this one is the positive, the negative, and now we can use the plug to plug in the cigarette lighter plug. Okay, so now we have power. So when you connect the two together, just make sure the slot is on the same side. Then you have to lock the plug so it doesn't come off. Plus it makes it waterproof. So now we have power because you can see the flashlight is on the remote control for the jack. So I'm gonna position the jack. So they want you to position the jack sideways like this. So slowly lift it up. And try to position it on the pinch weld. Okay, so now it's positioned like this. I'm gonna put the chuck on the rear wheel so it doesn't roll. And now I'm gonna press up. So this can take a lot of juice from the battery, so it's better that you start your car when you're doing this. So it's better that your car is running so you don't drain the battery. Now you can lift it up. As you can see, I can stop right now because the tire is off the ground. So now both tires are off the ground, the front and the back, because now it's too high. We can go to the maximum of 17 inches. Okay, it stopped automatically, so that's the maximum we can go. As you can see, the rear tire and the front tire, they're both off the ground. So now I'm gonna measure how high the jack. So it's 15 inches. So that means on the standard car, you can make this to a maximum up to 15 inches without using the SUV adapter. But obviously you cannot fit the SUV adapter because it's going to be too high for the jack to fit underneath the car. So that's only good for the SUV. So now I'm going to lower it down. I'm going to press the down button on the remote. The only thing is a bit noisy. So I really like the electric jack because it's compact and lighter than the alligator jack, because I used to drag my 3-ton alligator jack and it's a bit heavy. Plus I don't need to pump this electric jack. All I have to do is put the power and use the remote to control the jack to go up and down, not like the alligator jack that I have to pump and drag all over the place. And it's a heavy jack also. Plus, you know, the electric jack is compact and light. It's more convenient to just place it underneath the car and then that's it. So it's very convenient for taking out tires in the winter and installing back the mags for the summertime. So guys, I hope you liked the video. So please give this video a like and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.